Today on how Hugh builds a teardrop camper on a Harbor Freight trailer, I want to start waterproofing my edges, and I'm thinking I'm going to do it with strips of fiberglass. It's been a long time since I've worked with fiberglass, more than 20 years, and it wasn't on anything like a project like this. It was vacuum bagging some skateboards and then doing some skateboards under clamp pressure, so it was a little different. So we'll see how this goes. The first thing I noticed was that in 20 years the prices sure have gone up on this stuff, almost doubled. So I guess I shouldn't be surprised. So I've got myself a mixing bowl, some scissors, some fiberglass. See if I can't figure out how to do this. Got some hardener. Hardener. Yeah, we'll see if that's enough. Okay. On Amazon from a seller, 4 inches. They pack it well. Not good drops, but yeah, it does. Okay. Start getting this resin on here. I want to pre-coat it. Let it start absorbing. First piece out. Yeah, I don't know if that was the right thing. Okay, fiberglass on all the seams on top, and let that dry, then give it a little bit of a sanding, see how it looks, and then take it from there. There's the excuse me, there's the sealant on there. Must have breathed too much crap today. My voice is gone. And I've seen worse, so we'll see how it does. Hopefully it holds. They're already dusty, but I got a lot of dust. That's so small I can't even see it, but there it is on the camera. But I painted the fenders, so that's some Rust-Oleum bed liner paint. So I think I like it. It's kind of rugged. Okay, so I'm going to try it out, see how it does, with just the bottom painted black. If it ends up I don't like it, I'll put some black diamond plate on there. I haven't decided what I want to do yet. So it might just stay just like that. Okay, so this is the front door. Go inside. That's where your head goes when you lay down. There's a window you look out. That's where your iPad and your phone go to get charged. So let me show you what it looks like with me laying down in it. Okay, so there's my feet. If I tap, I can tap it. And I shrunk a little bit, so I'm 6'2" now. I used to be taller. Let me show you where my head is. There's my head. So it's not quite touching, but boy, is it close. So I can squeeze down a little bit, and my feet only touch if I tap them. But if I just lay relaxed, they don't touch. So it has just enough room without me having to lay sideways. And it's not all that wide. Okay, so it's less than 4 feet wide in here because the outside is 4 feet. Each wall total is about 3 inches with all the stuff. So it puts it at about 42 inches wide in here, which is bigger than a tent. Well, bigger than my tents. Okay, there's the light. It has a couple of different settings. I think that's one of the cool light settings. It's not even turned up all the way. So there's the switch, and then there's the USB cables. So you can charge up 2 things at once. So there it is, the inside. Have more work to do, but that's the update.